Okay, guys, let's go right to Lowe's. Okay, guys. You know
Oh
I'm going.
my god, I almost fell on the cat.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna make this.
No, he ain't. He gonna suck at it.
I'm not. I'm a bad side at it, guys. So let's do this.
I hate you.
Guys, try to get me, bro. I'm a pro. Just watch, cause my cousin's stupid. Okay.
Stupid like you.
I ain't got it. Guys, you know I got 3. No, I'm trying to get this. I'm trying to get to my home, to my friends, so they let me know. I love you guys, so.
No, he don't. He hates you. He just wants some money.
No, I don't. I just love you, cause I made my own YouTube video right now, cause I miss that so much, cause people make videos, not me, cause my stupid cousin just trying to bully. So I'm trying to make this far for y'all to make this good.
Uno, dos, tres.
And my cousin talk to nonsense, just
Cause I want you to feel it. Uno, dos, tres.
And she's stupid and she dummy.
I
I can't say that like that on the video. So I'm just playing my game, try to get this money, and try to subscribe to y'all.
All y'all poor people out there, you don't want y'all.
Yes, I do.
You want money.
No, I don't. I don't like money. I'm trying to give it all to y'all.
Make sure to subscribe to Just That Little Girl 3.
Just subscribe to me. Post notifications, cause I had to make my own video. How tomorrow is how wait my
Excuse me, sir, ain't you supposed to say
how
me?
and my cousin. So I'll give my cousin some money, and I'll put this. I'll go pray on my dad, cause this thing I keep on dying, so I'm a pro, so I never stop. So just doing this. Oh, guys. See. Okay, guys.